Hello and welcome to episode 5 of Webcast Wednesday. We're going to look at today. Last time we talked about a little bit about how Web 2.0 tools can be used to create, discover, and design. And today we're going to look at one that you can create. You and your students can create different tools, or it's a tool you can use to create. It's called Easily. So we'll just go ahead and click on this. Now, when I click on it, it's going to look a little bit different because I've already got an account. So if you want to do stuff and save it on here, you will have a create account. It just takes a couple minutes. It's very easy to do. Basically, this is a website where you and the students can create different infographics. Infographics similar to what you see in the newspaper in like a USA Today or something like that are really famous for the different infographics that they have. It's a way why this would be important. One, it's just a creative way to show your kids information for them to relay information back as part of a project or report or something like that. Uh, Also important is that when we look at standardized testing like the I-STEP, students really struggle at reading charts and graphs, and this is a way for them to familiarize themselves with charts and graphs kind of in a fun and creative way. Let's basically what it is it's they've got a lot of templates set up here, or you can start from scratch and create your own. Um, for this, let's look at one of the templates that they've got already set up here. Let's look at you want to be an actor. Looks like an interesting one. So it takes just a second for it to the theme to load, and then once it's loads up here, you can modify it and change it in whatever way you want. So here's just their like said, it's just a template. Um, so let's say, and you can change it however you want. So you just click on, we'll click on that. There we go. So let's say instead of you want to be an actor, you want to say you want to go to college. And just click off it. And this has a shadowing effect, so there's a. Just move this here. You can change this one too. You can move this around. You just drag and drop. Oops, that. Like I said, so you can change, and if you want to add stuff, you can add objects. They have people, animals, banners, whatever. Let's say we want to add some food on here. So these are just pictures of food. So we want to add this piece of cheese. Just drag it down, put where we want to. You can click on it, change the size, bigger, smaller, whatever. So this is something. It's pretty easy, pretty quick. Let's go back here to. I'm not going to save this one. This is what I was just playing around with. I did create one, and I spent maybe 10 minutes on it. I mean, it wasn't a huge time commitment. Just put this together. So this is one I created, and what this originally looked like. Let's go back to. I'll show you what this originally looked like. So I took this theme and modified it to something I want. So this is just a theme. Has a title, just a bunch of blanks. It's we've got some stuff in there. You can add it whatever you want. So I took that, and in about 5 minutes, I was able to change it into this. All right, so I changed it into the writing process. So you're going to start with brainstorming. You have an idea, you come up with a topic, you do pre-writing, you read, you put together a thesis, you do some research, you write, kind of on down and out. So this is a kind of creative way, rather than giving the kids a piece of paper that just has, here's a list of things to do. This is just a creative way for very visual way for them to use it. This is something you can put up on the wall, or you just send to them and have them look at, or have them create their own way for them to remember what the writing process is, as an example. So A lot of cool things you can do with this. Like I said, it's a very easy to use tool. It'd be easy for you, easy for the kids to use. Something that I think would easy way for them to look at information visually and create information visually. So that's easily. And again, that's on my Assembly page, as all these other websites are. So hopefully you like it and the kids get a chance to play around with it and enjoy. If you have any questions on any of this stuff, let me know. Thanks.